Hello there, our smartest and most curious little friends. Today, we've got a big surprise in our yellow car service station. So many new visitors have arrived that cars are parked everywhere. Let's find out who came to visit us today. Our first guest is already here. Look at this cute little van. His name is EraZ 762, and he was born way back in 1966 in Armenia. He was built on the base of a car you already know from a previous video, the Moskvitch 434. His job was to carry packages and goods from one place to another. But today, he wants to check his wheels and suspension at our car service. Should we help him, kids? Oh, wow. Who's this now? Say hello to this friend. His name is RAF 2203. He was born in 1976 in Latvia, and he used to take people to all kinds of places. Kids to kindergarten, moms to the store, and even doctors to villages. Many people remember him as the friendly minibus. If you love kind and calm cars, this one's just for you. This is the Moskvitch 2140 SL, born in 1980 in Moscow. He says he'll soon introduce us to his older brother. And guess what? He's on his way too. Oh, something heavy is coming. It's the powerful ZIS 151, born in 1948. Doesn't he look like a strong and serious army soldier? This truck was used for military missions. It carried soldiers, supplies, and heavy equipment through forests, mountains, swamps. Hey, a small but brave car is arriving. Meet the adventurous LuAZ 969M, born in 1979 in Ukraine. He's a real hero. He can go to places where there are no roads at all. His engine is cooled by air instead of water, which makes him extra special. Ooh, guess who's back? Here comes the big brother of the Moskvitch, 2140 we just saw. This is Moskvitch, 412, born in 1967 in Russia. He's super smart and hard-working, a real family car hero. Now get ready. Here comes a car loved by everyone. This is the famous Lada 1200, born in 1970 in Russia. She was the people's favourite. She's so beautiful and easy to drive that even today many people still love her. Here comes another classic beauty. Say hello to VAZ 2109, one born in 1987 in Russia. He was fast and modern for his time, quiet, smooth and stylish. No wonder everyone liked him. Wow, look, It's the VAZ 2106, also called Zhiguli, born in 1976. And finally, this is the amazing GAZ21 VOLGA, born in 1956. It almost looks like the president's car, right? Kids, which one was your favorite car today? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget, we'll have many more amazing guests in the next video.